wake up in the morning and I know that I shouldn't, but the first thing I do is look at my phone. Don't look at me like that. I know you do it too. Sports fixtures, breaking news, and not to mention the WhatsApp messages from my work friends that I've opened accidentally. And now they've turned blue. I've exceeded my daily intake of social media and news. I've not even brushed my teeth. And I've dragged myself out of bed because it's 10 to 8. I'm late for a race, and if I carry on like this, I'll be well behind the pace. And before I even think about changing the world, my own behaviour patterns must change. First kilometre in and my feet hit the ground. I'm overthinking. My mind is pounding with sounds. I must do more. All the problems I see I'm internally interlinking, and I'm only just reaching 2k now. Telling myself I must detach from my digital devices as it's mentally unhealthy. Because us men have a problem having honest conversations when there's a stigma around saying help me. I'm now at 3k, and I think of the future to where I'm heading. And I'm sweating. I'm stressing. I know life is a blessing, but there's thoughts inside my head that I'm constantly wrestling. I'm at 4k now, and the picture's clear. I must do what I can to ensure the future is fair. 5k, that's the target, I'm nearly there. Phone notification goes off. I shouldn't, but I do. I stop the run. And I stare. There's something there, acting as if I'm oblivious, but mentally I'm so aware. I tell myself I've got this. You can keep track of it all. If you do what I say, and grow through your coming of age, by maintaining your 5k a day.